vegetarian fried rice, remembering our beloved farmers on this harvest festival celebrated globally. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my simple cooking channel. Today I am going to show how I cook a very simple and easy to make veggie fried rice. I am using 1 bowl of cooked rice, around 10 beans and 1 carrot sliced into small pieces, 1 small cup of paneer marinated with salt, little turmeric powder and chili powder. This is soya chunks cut into small and marinated as paneer. We got to fry both and to be used later. This is leftover colored capsicums, spring onions for garnishing, 50 grams of shallots to fry and also for garnishing. For the seasoning, 2 tablespoons of garlic chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger chopped and spring onions. We need pepper powder, soya sauce, 8 to 9 sauce. It's mixed with dates, tamarind, salt, sugar, tomato pulp, mango, lemon juice and so on. And this is Worcestershire sauce. Hope I am pronouncing it correctly. This is additional green chilies cut into small pieces, soaked in salt water for 4 to 5 hours earlier. This is optional. All the ingredients needed to be fried, fry first and keep aside. Chili first. Okay, now the shallots. This is the chili fried. And followed by paneer and soya chunks. The chili fried can be kept in an airtight bottle or container. It will be crispy like this. Now for the seasoning. Add the garlic chopped followed by ginger chopped and saute till brown. Okay, now you can add the carrot and beans chopped. Saute well. Add the spring onions too and the capsicums. Now add the earlier mentioned sauces and continue sauteing. For your information, you can add any veggies as per your desire. Please always remember the farmers who work so hard to provide us with food, and please do not waste food unnecessarily. There are many children out there who die daily because lack of food. Check the ingredients in the description box below if I have missed anything. Saute well till all are cooked. Now you can add the rice and mix nicely. Check the salt before adding salt because the sauce too have salt in it. Okay, not enough salt. I am going to add a little salt followed by pepper. Sprinkle some pepper powder to it. Now you can add the fried soya chunks and paneer. Stir well. Okay, now you can off the stove. Garnish the rice with shallots, fried and spring onions. This is the fried green chilies with the chili sauce and pepper powder. Thank you dear all for watching my channel. Continue to give me your love and support. Stay safe and hope to see you soon in my next recipe. Till then, bye.